If you want to explore old satellite images on Google Earth, how we can explore that, it's very simple and interesting. Let's see some of the options where you can travel back in time and see the old satellite images. So I'll guide you completely from scratch how you can install the Google Earth and which version should you install. And then we will explore how you can travel back in time. Let's get started. Now for that, just simply head over to google.com and just write here Google Earth Pro, hit enter, and you will get all the Earth versions here. So just click on this first one and get the Google Earth Pro on desktop. That's what we want. Click here and download the Earth Pro on desktop. Click on accept and download, and it is started the downloading, and now the download is complete. Let's click here and run the setup. Click yes, and it will take only few seconds depending on your internet speed to download and complete. And now it's installing. Now let's close out of here and just go to the start menu and right here Google Pro, and here you will find the app. Let's run it. Now for example, I want to search a particular location, so I'll just simply type in my location. For example, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai. Let's search, and this is how it goes in here. Now on the left hand side, we have all the settings like here. What kind of layers do you want? Do you want the photos? Do you want weather, gallery? All the options that you can enable here. Now we can use this zoom bar to zoom in or out into a particular location. On the right hand side, you can see this. And if you want to go into the street view, you can just hold this person and drop it anywhere on the streets, just like that. And now we have the street view. Now, if you want to see historical images of this road, what you can do is just go to the view menu right here and click on historical imagery right here. And now you can close this. You can exit from the street view and go to some different location. Let me just zoom out. Let's just go to Palm Jumeirah, Dubai, search. And here we are near the Palm Jumeirah. Let me just go to some specific location. Now here you can see in the aerial view, we can see that. So if you want to observe what is constructed in this time, right now we are in 2024. So if you want to search for an aerial view of how it looked back in time, like 1985, let's move to 1985. At that time, we didn't have the Google map properly working. So let's move to 2009. So at that point, it looks something like this. And now if we move to 2019, it looks something like that. So at that time, the marina was not created. So the ships, as you can see, the boats were not there. If we go back in time, there's nothing here, just like that. It was all under construction. Let me just zoom out to see more proper view. All right, let's observe the Palm Jumeirah altogether. So in 2009, it was also created. So, but back in time, let's say on this particular time frame, it was just a map, right? But as you can see, for these time frames, there's nothing available in the data of Google Maps. So we have the data from here. So here it was just started. It didn't have much colonies here, much cars here, nothing here. But as we go here, as you can see, all the villas are constructed. And now if we move forward, as you can see, it's now densely populated. And now if we move to 2024, it looks something like this. Even the images quality is much better now, and you can see the population and all the constructions out here. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can see it on the aerial view. On aerial view, it's possible to see all the locations out here because this is Google Earth. So this is more about the aerial view, but you can try dropping the person here. And for some of the locations, you should be able to see back in time as well. So just try it by yourself. Just comment down below if that works, and I'll see you in the next video.